Hi, I'm Akshay Seth and welcome to Stock Total Analysis online training. In this course, I'll show you how to start trading in stock market effectively by getting introduced with stock fundamental and technical analysis. In fundamental analysis, I'll show you how to read the balance sheet, profit loss statement, and the cash flow statement of the company so that you can select the stocks for your investments by your own analysis. We'll also talk about major corporate actions, macroeconomic and microeconomic data that directly affect the stock market. In technical analysis, I'll show you how to use numerous strategies by analyzing the charts in order to make profitable trades for short term as well as for the long term. We'll perform them all with the help of online activities. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started with Stock Total Analysis online training.